In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to boost a listing on Facebook Marketplace with an easy promote setup. To get started, open the Facebook app or go to the Facebook website, then sign in to the same account you used to create your marketplace listing. This is important because your listing management options will only appear under the account where that item was originally posted. Once you're logged in, go to Marketplace by tapping or clicking the Marketplace icon in the navigation menu. From there, open your listings, which may also appear under a section called Selling, depending on the version of Facebook you're using. This area shows all of your active marketplace listings in one place. Next, select the listing you want to promote. Choose the item you'd like to boost so you can increase its visibility and potentially reach more buyers. After opening the listing, look for the Boost Listing or Promote Listing button. If the listing is eligible, you'll see one of these options on the page. Tap it to begin creating your promotion. If you don't see that option, it usually means the listing or account isn't currently eligible for marketplace promotions, or that feature may not be available in your region. In that case, there may not be anything to change from this screen. If the promotion option is available, the next step is to choose your audience. You can use Facebook's recommended audience for a faster setup, or create a custom audience if you want more control. For example, you may be able to adjust things like location, age range, interests, and other targeting settings to better match the kind of buyer you want to reach. After that, set your budget. Facebook will usually show an estimated reach based on how much you plan to spend, which can help you decide what amount makes sense for your listing. Then choose the promotion duration, such as a few days or a full week, depending on how long you want the boosted listing to run. Before submitting anything, review the ad preview carefully. Make sure your photos are clear and high quality, the title accurately describes the item, the price is correct, the description includes key details, and the call to action looks appropriate. A quick review here can help avoid mistakes and improve results. Next, choose your payment method. You can use an existing payment option or add a new one if needed. Once everything looks good, tap Boost Now, Promote, or Publish to submit the promotion. Facebook will review the ad to make sure it follows its advertising policies before it starts running. After approval, monitor your promotion's performance by checking metrics like reach, views, clicks, messages, and leads or inquiries. These insights can help you understand what's working and make smarter decisions for future marketplace promotions.